Oh, sorry. I couldn't wait.
Apparently not.
Hey guys, and welcome to another video. Here we are at St. Louis Bar and Grill in Orillia, Ontario. They had a little promotion going on, and all you can eat boneless chicken bites, or pretty much chicken McNuggies, you know, how we go about it. And I just decided to see how many I could eat. Go from there. Just finishing the first basket, moving on to the next one. They were very accommodating and gave me a whole bunch of boneless wings or chicken McNuggets, whatever you want to call them, and variety of different flavors, and they just kept me supplied, which I really appreciate. They started me off with 50, which I really appreciate, and once I finished 2 of the baskets, I instructed the kitchen to start making me some more and go from there. They were actually pretty good. Nothing too special. I mean, it's just pretty much just chicken chunks breaded and fried. So similar to a chicken McNugget or chicken tender or anything like that, but they were pretty good. A couple of the employees were having a little side bet, seeing who could guess how many chicken wings, boneless chicken wings, whatever you want to call them. And yeah, they were just having a good time watching me do whatever the heck I'm doing. Overall, it was a pretty fun time being able to sit there and just plow down some boneless chicken bites. Yeah, just enjoying myself, working away at them, and getting some resupplies while we're at it. Now I'm going to start some debates in the comment section below. I want you to comment and see how many people think boneless chicken bites are actually chicken wings. You know, are they chicken wings, or are they fake? You know. just finished up the first 50 there and moving on to the next probably like 20 or something like that. Got some nice buffalo chicken bites to go along with there. I think the next basket is like some garlic parmesan, which I wasn't actually too sure about it. I'm not really a big parmesan fan, but overall they were pretty tasty. It's a nice change being able to eat kind of casually with this. I'm used to just scarfing down my food and not really enjoying it, but these were very enjoyable, so I decided to savor them. Plus, they were piping hot at one point. At this point, I'm contemplating why I'm doing this and kind of getting tired of the flavor of the whole chicken bite thing, but switching it over to some Diet Coke to help with that. Now in front of me, if I complete this, it'll be 100 boneless chicken bites. We'll see how far along I get and see what the final tally is. Now at this point I'm finished. I'm not gonna eat any more boneless chicken bites, and I ended up finishing 88. I was hoping to get to 100, but unfortunately it didn't happen. But it was overall a great experience. Enjoyed every single boneless chicken bite.